2020 December 2030. We march toward Vision 2030. Strong, building our future brick by brick, song by song. Macro stable, fiscally wise, innovation rising, watch us rise. Industry, mining, agriculture too, empowered citizens, bold and true.
No one left behind, no province too far. From Bulawayo to Mutere we are. Devolution flowing like a river wide. Together in purpose, together in pride.
Brick by brick, stone upon stone. This is our land, this is our home. Vision 2030, shining bright. Prosperous Zimbabwe, our guiding light.
Empowering people, strong and free.
Upper middle income society. NDS2,
We stand as one. The work is ours, the future begun. Green water flowing, power in the night. Smart cities rising in digital light. Youth entrepreneurs, creative minds. Innovation hubs, new frontiers we find. Women empowered, equality strong. Justice and governance, righting the wrongs. Green finance, climate smart land. Protecting the soul with careful hands. Trade and investment, open doors arise. Zimbabwe's open, step inside. Partnerships local and globalized. SEDC, Africa, humankind. Aligned with Agenda 2063 and sustainable goals for humanity.
stone upon stone. Building the Zimbabwe we have always known.
Resilient, inclusive, bold and grand.
Prosperity rising across the land.
Transparency, discipline, zero corruption.
Hard and honest work our foundation. Whole of government, society too. NDS2,
We see it through.
we build a nation.
We build a nation.
We build a nation.
Nika ino mapane venevayo.
Ilizwe la Kiwawa.
Nabani kazibalo.
With unity and shared responsibility.